But when it does come together, City are going to have further chances before the final whistle. Gundogan takes a look up. His teammates want to slow things down. David Silva. Benjamin Mendy. So he could go for width. Nobody running into the channels instead. Bernardo Silva and Leroy Sané occupying the wings. Gundogan. Fernandinho. Gundogan. Slips that through to Sterling. Sané calls for it. It's sent towards Gundogan! 3-1 to Manchester City. Ilkay Gundogan on as a sub. In space outside the 6-yard box. He scores.